Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Excel file on Google Sheets in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Sheets. In my phone it's already installed. You can find Google Sheets on the Google Play Store. So just open it. Now at the bottom you can find a plus icon. From here you can create a new document or sheets. So if I tap here, now here you can see two options, choose template and new spreadsheet, but you cannot find Excel sheet option here. So at first you have to enable this option. Just go back and then tap on this menu icon, then go to settings option. From here scroll down a bit and here you can see a option create Excel file. So you have to just enable this option from here and then go back. Now if I tap on this plus icon, and that's it. Here you can see new Excel file option and it's available now. So just tap here and it's done. Now you can create a new Excel file and you can make any document as you want. And that is how you can create Excel file on Google Sheets in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.